Welcome back to GreenTGarden. Today I got a great video for you guys. Did you ever had a problem with your seedlings, especially seedlings like laggy, it's skinny, or sometimes the seed not even germinate? The thing about it that we try to seed indoor, especially for springtime, we try to seed indoors so soon as the weather is warm we already have a healthy seedlings ready to transplant outside, but you don't have a good light. This right here comes in really handy. This is what you call the GrowFriend. I'm gonna unbox this and show you real quick, and I'm gonna seed right now because I am gonna seed for, I know it's winter time right now in Long Island, New York, but I'm gonna seed a couple plants because I'm setting up my indoor garden using soil. Although I have the hydroponics, I'm doing soil right now. So what's inside this GrowFriend box? Here we have the tray which you're gonna put all your seeds and your soil in there, and we have a tray at the bottom to catch any water or anything that leaks through, because they all have holes for water, excess water to leak right through. You always need that. That's a big plus. So this is a plastic, but it's a more like sturdier plastic. The quality, the green one is much more thicker. So this comes with its own mini light at the top. I'm going to show you how I'm setting up. So you plug this in, and the mini lights help the seedlings to grow and germinate faster and stay straight and strong. Comes with name tags and stuff. Yep, name tag. If you don't know your plants and you're beginners, definitely write the name of the plant that you're going to be planting seed. And this is for planting and removing the seedlings with the whole soil and everything perfect. This is a heating trays that come at the bottom to keep it heat and nice. So check this out right here. So that's how it's gonna look right there. We got the lights at the top, we got the two ventilation stuff at the top, and we have the heat at the bottom. So we have heat at the bottom, and we have heat light grow lights at the top, mini ones. So you cannot go wrong with your seedling. You'll have no problem with growing your seedlings with this. These right here are these yellow sticky traps, just in case you have a little fly or any insect problem in your house. This heated pad right here, it's waterproof, so any water leaks in it, it's fine. And you just place it like that right there, and the top, you just put the lights in there. You put this two vented thing right there. There's 4 holes, so you could control it, open or close it for the vent. It's really easy, and you could plug it in right there. So after we put our seed, which I'm going to show you guys, we close this like that, and then comes here, which is pretty cool actually. This part right here, it controls, you have the switch, the dimmer, and timing. Oh, that's pretty neat. Oh, look at that. Now, see that? That's pretty cool. Whoa, it's bright. So that right there will help give good heat, and the seed with the bottom heat, it's double heat actually. And as the seedlings, as the seed germinate, it will grow and come right up straight to the light. And with a good light, you will have a good, healthy, strong seedling. So we're gonna go ahead and put some soil. I'm only gonna do a couple plants, and I'm gonna do an update video too to show you guys. For more price and details, check in the link in the description box. Another thing that's pretty cool with this light switch, you could put both of them on. You could take off one, or you could take off the other one. And I thought it was pretty cool, just in case you want to do one. Depends which side. If you're I guess if you're seeding from this section, you could put this light on. If you seed over that section, you could put that light on, which is pretty cool. I put about 20 holes I filled with soil. I think you could do about 40. So you could see I did the whole middle right here. And we're gonna use one of their tool right here. You can see that. Always for your seed, 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch. You could plant 1 to 2 seed. I will just do 1. Come in springtime, I'm definitely gonna add fill the whole thing up. I maybe get 1 more or 2 more actually if it works good, because I do plant a lot of stuff before springtime, so we get a upper hand. When you live in a climate that we live in, you have to get an upper hand. You have to start up early if you want to get more production. I have a bunch of seed. Check in the description box. I'm going to leave Survival Garden Seeds, a discount code. And what do? You just literally drop your seed in there. Make sure to label your seed, just in case you don't know, because you want to make sure separate big plants from small plants. You could always plant more than 1 seed, make the drop another one over there just in case it did not germinate. This is the 3-in-1 soil meter for moisture level, pH level, sunlight, and it has an adjustment right here. So it goes from pH to moist, right? You just switch it back and forth. So that's pretty good. You could just test the soil. And after you seed, you always have to make sure you water. The water is that activate the growing process right now. And that's gonna help I will get our seed started to germinate, and then I'm gonna cover it up so this way it stay nice and warm. You do not have to put on the light every day. I would put it on, you know, like 1 or 2 hours in a day, and then a couple hours in the night. It's up to you guys. And to me, to be honest with you, I would not use the base heated too much. I would rather use the growing light for now. Like how it's seated like this, we don't need the growing light. We could use the bottom part, which is the heat, to keep the soil heated. And then as you see the seedling start sprouted, then obviously you definitely want to have the growing light on, because that's where your seedling will go to. Remember one thing: when this seedling is growing, whichever light is on, the seedling will lean towards any light, meaning your window light, it could be your house light on the top, it could be any single light. So with this light in the middle, it's a big plus, which means it will be coming straight. You want to make sure you water real. Good thing about it is if you water too much, the tray right here will catches the water. So right here, we're gonna close this up. I gotta tell you, simple stuff like this makes me really excited. It's like, you know, my kids get a toy, I got a new toy for the garden. So, you know, that's pretty cool. And then we have all these extra stuff right here that comes with it. And I gotta tell you, I am loving this so far. And then if you want, look, we could close the vent right now, so we have no kind of air in there for now. See that? Look at that. Nice. So everything will germinate fast. Subscribe if you're new to keep up with the videos coming up. Is 100% free, and I'm going to show you guys progress soon as I see a sign of something sprouted out. So for me, I'm going to take off the top light for today and tomorrow, keep the heated on for about 2 days, and after 2 or 3 days they're going to start germinate. And once the seedlings start germinate, I might remove the bottom. You don't have to. You could leave it on for more faster heat and growing. The more heat, the more fast it will grow sometimes, but not too high heat. You don't want it too high heat and you didn't water enough. So that's one thing. If you have this heated mat on and you have the top light on, you're gonna have a lot of heat in there. Make sure the vents are open up to get air, and make sure you water every couple days. You could water every 3 or 4 days lightly. Get your spray bottle and spray it lightly, because the heat will literally dry out the soil fast. So you have to be careful. So that's why you got to be careful with your light. Do not leave it on all day and all night. It will be too hot, especially. All right, so if you're new, welcome to GreenTGarden. I'm all about growing a better home garden together. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more upcoming videos. And I do have more videos coming up. I'm keeping you guys busy, even if it's fall time in New York. And even coming up for winter, we will be growing a lot of stuff indoor. So stick around. And if you're new, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Let's all grow a better garden together.